This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, everyone. This is Jeremy Dopp, partner with LegacyLock, and excited to be on the webinar with you guys today, and excited to really introduce you to LegacyLock and help you understand what this tool can do for you in your business. A little bit about myself. I live here in Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona, with my wife and four daughters, and I've been in the financial services industry for about 20 years. And in that 20 years, what we're going to be talking with you about today, this tool, this process is the best thing that I've come across in my 20 years when it comes to a way to get in front of more prospects, get in front of more clients, and get more referrals. And that's really what's really gonna, I hope you get from this call today is how that can transform your practice, and how using this tool and process can really help you in your practice. And we're excited to share this with you today. I also have on the call today my business partner, Court Pitcher. And go ahead and introduce yourself, Court.
Yeah, thank you, Jeremy. Hello, everyone. It's good to be with you on this webinar, and grateful to be able to share this amazing tool with you. Um, just a little bit about myself. I've been in the financial services industry about 15 years. I live just a little bit north of Salt Lake City, Utah, with my wife and three children. But again, we're really excited to be sharing this with you. This is a tool that has significantly helped me grow my practice. The thing that I love about it the most is that it's a way to get more prospects and build good relationships with people. And as all of you know, our business is a relationship business. So this creates a way for you to make good connections with people and build good relationships with them, and then help them with other strategies that we can provide. But ultimately, it'll help you get in front of more people, gain more clients, the kind of clients that you want to work with, and also bring in more referrals. So by doing this the way that Jeremy and I have been doing it over the last 8 years, you'll get to a point where you're getting about 3 to 5 referrals every single week. And you'll be able to do this without having to spend thousands of dollars on seminars and radio and TV and mailers. This is just a great way to build your business, and we're going to talk about that a little bit more here.
Awesome. Thanks, Court. One thing that Court said that I liked there was not having to spend thousands of dollars on other marketing costs. And I look at my marketing for last year, and I think I spent less than $5,000 in total on marketing. And with this process and this system, I had over 150 referrals last year, warm referrals that came into my office and referred to our office. And if that at that cost, that's drastically different than what you guys are aware of out in the world of seminars and radio. And I was there, and I've done it. And this is a good organic way to build a practice, to not have to do those things anymore. But let's get into what LegacyLock is, and then talk about what it can do for your practice. So what is LegacyLock? LegacyLock is estate planning software that is attorney drafted documents in all 50 states. So it doesn't matter where you're at. We have the documents are in the software, and you can do it in any state that you're at. And again, these are attorney drafted documents. We partnered with a law firm that's responsible for drafting these documents and make sure they're current and in the system. So we can put these documents together in your practice. You don't have to go out to an attorney's office. You can get this all done in your office, and you can do that as a licensee of the software. So you're seeing on the screen now a screenshot of the software. And this is the website that everyone would get if you sign up as a licensee. You would have this. It's a vanity link. You could put your own information in the top right hand corner. And what you're doing is you are becoming a licensee of the software, and you're able to offer all the documents, the documents the attorney has created. I'm going to share with you real quick on the screen all of the documents that are included that you can create in your own office as a licensee. And it has a list there. So you're setting up a revocable family trust. You're setting up your powers of attorney, your living will documents, and your will documents. Also, what makes this software different from what you're going to get if you send them over to an attorney or other softwares is they're going to get unlimited changes, unlimited updates, and unlimited restatements. Your clients can get that, and that's what it is. Ultimately, you can offer all of those documents in your practice for your clients for anywhere from $495 on up to $995. And as a licensee, there is a commission that you would get paid to do that. We have a list of the commissions here, and it's anywhere between $100 and $400 in commissions that you can get paid to offer this to your clients. So once you become a licensee, you'll gain access to back office that will have. I'm going to log in here and show you. In your back office, you'll have training. You'll have all the marketing material that you would need to go out and offer this service to your clients and get them in front of this service. You'll see the training here. We have a step-by-step training of all the marketing materials that you would need. We have, in step number 2, we have the top 20 ways that you can get in front of your prospects to bring them in the office for this service. Court's used a particular way. Court, why don't you tell us a little tiny bit about the way you've gotten in front of more people and just kind of a brief overview of what you've done in your practice with this LegacyLock software.
So one of the ways that I've been able to get more people coming to my office is to work through funeral homes. A lot of the funeral homes around the country, one of the things that they do when they're meeting with families is they go through a long checklist of things, to see if the family has certain things in place and certain things in order. And when they go through that checklist, one of the things that typically comes up is estate planning. And they'll ask the families, do you have a will or a trust? And then if they don't, then they simply refer those people to me. That's another thing that's exciting and expanding within our LegacyLock network is, we're helping other licensees get in contact with funeral homes around the country so that those funeral homes can refer estate planning to those licensees in those areas. So that's been one of the ways that I've been able to build my practice, and it's been really fun.
Great. One way I'll share a little bit about how with my practice here in Arizona, one of the main ways we get in front of people is through HR departments. We offer it as an employee benefit, so we offer a full estate plan through the software as a licensee. We can provide all of the employees a package that can be anywhere between $495 and $995. We have a network of over 180,000 employees that can get that as an employee benefit, and we are able to get hundreds of names of people that are interested in getting that service done as an employee, and that's one way that we get in front of a lot of people. So when you do get signed up as a licensee, we will share with you our top 20 ways to get in front of more clients and offer this service. One of the things that I wanted to talk about too is the actual process. So the LegacyLock process, we believe that in financial planning or whether you're doing insurance, that every single good plan starts with a good estate plan. And we review whether someone has their estate plan or not. We offer a review of that. We also offer the opportunity to set up a new will and trust with them. And this is kind of our step-by-step process. And I won't spend a lot of time walking through it, but the gist of it is that we basically, by starting with the will and trust, with the attorney drafted documents, we're able to get all of their information up front and find out what they have financially, and then we're able to move into step number 2, which is help them move assets into the trust. And during that process, we evaluate and optimize assets. So you can see here on the screen that by helping them move their assets into the trust, their IRAs, 401ks, or insurance policies, whatever it is, we have the opportunity to talk to them about that and really help them optimize those assets. And we also, at the end, we help them, organize things and get everything organized and set for an annual review, so we can stay in front of the clients on an annual basis and make sure that we're not only staying on top of their financial planning, but also staying on top of their estate plan. And in my opinion, that all goes together. So by signing up as a licensee, we will help you understand how to walk your clients through this process. We'll help you understand how to use the software. We'll train you on how to use the software. One really cool thing in the software as well, is there's videos that have been created by our attorney partners that you can use to show your clients and help them understand that they're getting attorney drafted documents when they're working with you in your office on this. And is there anything you wanted to share how these videos have worked for you, Court?
No, these videos are just a great resource for licensees to learn about estate planning directly from our attorney partners. They're also good for our clients. When a client does their estate planning with a licensee, they have their own account login, and they can log in and access these videos and frequently asked questions at any time. So anytime they have a question, it's probably going to be found in these frequently asked questions or in one of these videos. That's just a really helpful resource to you as a licensee, but also to your clients.
Perfect. So basically, once you get signed up as a licensee, you'll get access to your own vanity website, which gives you the ability to set up all these documents. We'll walk you through the training. Will walk you through how to do that. It's very simple. You can create these documents in your office with these attorney drafted documents that you can be created in your office, and then within 15, 20 minutes, you can have the documents printed off, and we can, once you get signed up, we'll walk you through that step. But really, what we want you to understand from this webinar today is this is a way for you to offer estate planning documents to your clients for $495 up to $995. You do get paid a commission as a licensee, and we'll show you how to get in front of hundreds of new clients at little to no cost by using this system and process. And we'll share with you what we've done in our practice to really use this software and more importantly, differentiate yourself in the marketplace and offer something that not every advisor is offering to their clients. So in order to get signed up as a licensee today, we have a link here, and I'll leave that up on the screen here for you. It's mylegacylock.com/r/females and finance. And if you go to that link, we also have a video there that kind of does some more introduction on what this software is, what it can do for you. If you have any more questions, you can get with us, or you can get with Cheryl Brown with Females in Finance, and she can get you in contact with us. We're looking forward to helping more of you get in front of more people, get in front of more clients, more prospects, and really get in front of more referrals. This process like Court said, if you do this correctly, should get you in front of 3 to 5 warm referrals every single week. And we've seen that work in our practice. And these people are calling you, asking for this service. You're not having to reach out to them. They want what you offer, and this can really help organically build your practice. And we look forward to helping you with that. Do you have anything you'd like to add, Court?
Great. No, that was great. Great way to put it. We look forward to working with each of you, and I agree with what Jeremy's saying. This is a process and a tool that has really helped grow our businesses. Each year, the revenue that's coming in and the commissions I'm making are growing exponentially. And we know that by following our blueprint, the same thing can happen in your practice. And so we look forward to helping you do that.
And I did want to add here at the end, we're grateful for the opportunity to work with Cheryl Brown and Females in Finance and help everyone grow their practices. We're grateful for the opportunity to be part of this network and help everyone with their practice. Thanks.